CapStorm presents CopyStorm, a Salesforce backup solution. We start with CopyStorm by entering our credentials. Salesforce credentials on the left, database credentials on the right. Today we will back up a production Salesforce instance into Postgres. Next, we simply select Start Copy. CopyStorm connects with Salesforce, creating the schema and copying the objects, table for table, field for field. CopyStorm is always an incremental process. If I click Start Copy again, only added or modified records would be copied, along with any structure changes that have been made in my Salesforce. We can move beyond the default settings by selecting the Advanced tab. Let's highlight a few options. Use Select Tables to Copy or Select Tables to Exclude for a targeted backup. Set your own retention policy by controlling how long deleted records are retained in your backup. Let's keep them forever. Check Track Field History to monitor changes in virtually every field in every table. Select metadata to be included. Metadata will be automatically versioned every time that it is backed up and can be restored to a specific state using CopyStorm Restore. Finally, set the number of Salesforce threads in order to back up multiple tables in parallel. After the initial data load, you may want to schedule incremental backups. A simple File Save As will retain the configuration file. The Batch File menu has a sampling of starter scripts to get you started. Use Windows Task Scheduler, cron, or your preferred scheduler. While running CopyStorm in batch mode, the Notification tab can be used to set up automatic email alerts. These emails will look similar to what is shown in the History tab, a view into the logging tables for backup details. CopyStorm is available for a free 30-day evaluation period. Contact sales@capstorm.com for more.